Codename One builds native applications and games in Java from one codebase. Today, Duke's Coffee Run goes from a visual level to a playable platformer, while Java stays focused on the rules. When sprite positions, terrain, enemies, and pickups live as setters in Java, nobody can see the level until it runs. Moving art forces a rebuild, designers cannot work safely, and behavior becomes tangled with layout. Godot's tile map guidance treats tile placement, collision, navigation, and painting as visual level authoring data rather than scattered source coordinates. Tiled's documentation stores maps, layers, objects, and custom properties as map data that game code can load and interpret. Game Builder saves layers, tile art, actors, transforms, and typed properties in a plain game file. The generated companion class binds names such as player, enemy, and flag to Java fields, while explicit arcade behavior enables gravity, running, jumping, patrols, pickups, collision, and camera follow. The constructor loads the visual scene and turns on the behavior that matched the preview. The update hook only checks whether Duke overlaps the named flag, then ends the level with the score. The editor shows the finished terrain, background, player, coffee, exception monster, goal, and scene properties together. The play view then runs that saved scene as a platformer instead of reconstructing it from hidden coordinates. The developer can move art, change gravity, add pickups, or repaint terrain as data. Java stays with the rules the editor cannot infer: winning, power-ups, checkpoints, hit points, and death. Choose a checkpoint, power-up, boss, moving platform, or death screen.